Welcome and get ready to create your own plant decor. First, we'll use dry moss, wire, green tube beads, white flower beads, green beads, white beads, and a bead box. We need to prepare a pair of scissors. Cut a length of about 20 to 30 centimeters. Fold it in half. Take one white bead. Thread it down to the center fold of the wire. Give the wire a twist. This secures the bead. Take one green tube bead, slide it onto both wires. Take one end. Thread on one green tube bead, then one white bead. Take that same wire and pass it back through the green tube bead. Pull the wire tight. Adjust the position of the white bead. Adjust a few times until the wire is tight. Then, take the longer wire on the other side. Repeat the process. Thread on a green tube bead and a white bead. Twist the wire to secure the beads. Take one green tube bead, slide it onto both wires. Leave a certain length of wire. Take a green bead as the base bead. Slide it onto both wires. Loop the wire around and pass it back through the green bead again. One branch is done. Twist the extra wire into a braid shape. This makes it easier to insert into the pot. Take a longer piece of copper wire, about 30 to 40 centimeters. Cut the wire. Fold the wire in half at the center. Repeat the previous beading steps. Use a single strand to thread on a white bead. Give the wire a twist. This secures the bead. Take a white flower bead. Remember, thread it from the front to the back. Take a green tube bead, slide it onto both wires. Take one of the wires, thread on separately a green tube bead. a flower bead, and a white bead. The flower bead direction should still be from back to front. Skip the white bead with the wire. Pass the wire back through the flower bead and the green tube bead. Find the longer wire. Repeat the previous action. Thread on beads. Thread on another set of beads. Pull the wire as tight as possible, but don't use too much force to avoid breaking it. Using flower beads and white beads together looks more natural and casual. Give the wire 2 twists to secure the beads you've just strung. Take a green tube bead, slide it onto both wires. Let me show you another way to finish. Loop the wire back to the last green bead. After wrapping it around the core once, twist the 2 wires together. Both methods work, it's up to you. Adjust the shape a bit. This is one finished branch. Leave about 2 centimeters of wire at the end. To make it easier to insert into the clay, cut off the excess. Now let's see how many we need to make in total. 6 branches that are 1 tube bead tall. 10 branches that are 2 tube beads tall. 7 branches that are 3 tube beads tall. 2 branches that are 4 tube beads tall. Next, take a suitable amount of clay and fill the pot about 2/3 full. If the moss is too dry, add some water to dampen it. Let it sit for 2 minutes before using. If it's too wet and a bit sticky, let it sit in the air for 10 minutes. Spread the moss flat on top of the clay. Next, we arrange the branches. We start from the center and work outwards with the longest branches. Insert them into the middle of the pot. Push the wire all the way down to secure the branch. Then, insert the branches that are 3 beads tall and 2 beads tall in order. Throughout the process, constantly adjust the gaps. Arrange them freely. Place the shortest branches around the outer circle. Then, fine-tune the shape and details. If some areas feel empty, you can make a few more branches to fill them in. Congratulations, you've finished!